My brother, what is happening here?
Nothing much. We came to work.
Which one?
We came to do another building.
Should I give you the phone off? My brother, see.
You do it.
Stop it. Who now? No, stop it. Come here.
You do, sir. I'm fine, sir. How you doing, sir?
Which kind of rubbish is this? Where this thing happen?
So, as you can see, come.
Order,
Show this place.
Hey!
So, hello, look me here. So, we have to meet the House of Reps said is coming so that we will know how we are going to do everything. As you can see, we brought a caterpillar, we scattered one side. We wanted to bring, come here, look here. We wanted to bring down the whole building and build them again, including a library, including a lab, you know, put everything together, even a small healthcare center. You understand? But they said we have to wait. Library go there, because we get library. This thing go there, lab go there. And we go do small health place, small health center where be like chemist, where the children go there, you know, and make the plain area they okay. I even came with my architect from Abuja. Which time you come?
After one.
He flew in because of this work. So as I reach now, they say the House of Reps say, okay, this one, that one. We talk. So he say they come tomorrow. Then if you come tomorrow, we go know whether we want to do one like that or we no go do one like that.
Bam.
So for now, we will have to go first. Tomorrow, we will come. Yes. But again, like I said, football competition, so that we will get one activity for here. More arrange una team. I don't talk am first, 1 million. Second, 500k. Third, 300k. Fourth, 200k. So for now, we will just go tomorrow. I bet. If you don't say you play ball,
we've had enough of that.
Oh, this is
This community here.
okay, talk.
We don't need that renovation.
Okay.
The school has been there for a long time.
Okay.
And we have been suffering because of that school. We took our children to another place because we don't have school here. We don't have a conducive place there. Okay. And we don't need any renovation. We have done it a lot.
Okay.
And that place is not good again. We need to demolish that place.
And you should do that.
Whoever that is coming, the school has been there for a long time.
Okay.
If they wanted to renovate it, they would have done it before this time. But this time, God has brought somebody who is going to change that environment. And we need that. Yeah, no. She's my younger sister. So our match is in one place. Whether they want to demolish.
Okay. Again.
Listen.
Please, let us all just follow them small. We'll see whether if it be say their plan too, they want demolish.
Yes.
But if they don't demolish, we will go demolish. Because that school fit fall for picking here. That school don't go. Yes. So I beg, I know what tomorrow. Tomorrow we are all together. I know.
When they give me $1, I cannot give my cover.